In today's video, we look at how to take amazing sunset photos and videos on the DJI Mini 2. Hey guys, so I'm using a Freewell ND8 filter. It's currently on auto. You want to get lined up, so it's going to actually move back a bit, and you want to have to the shoreline just in front of you. You can see though in auto there's quite a lot of areas which are overexposed and it doesn't look as good in auto. So by using Pro mode, we're going to be able to alter our settings. So I'm just going to click on Pro now, and you can see, just so I look at these values, I'm filming at 4K 30, so I want my shutter to be double that, so 1/60, and then my ISO is set at ISO 100, the lowest the ISO Mini 2 can go. So I can increase this to let more light in, but this also then introduces grain. So the ISO 100 will get you the nicest image when filming a sunset. So that's, for now, is what I'm going to keep it on. And already you can see a much better, more pleasing image. Let's cut to the video. So that looks stunning, doesn't it? So let's look at photos now. So you don't need an ND filter for photos, but I like to keep it on. It saves landing and taking off, and you can get this shot both perfect for video and photo. So we want to make sure we get lined up again, making sure that that sun is direct in the center. Don't worry about any speckles or flares at the top of that image. We can get rid of them. Just concentrate on that composition to get it nice and straight. I'm going to use auto just as a standard picture here, and that looks really nice. You can see the nice sunflower onto the water. Everything looks really nice there. But what I like to do is I like to use the AEB photos under photos. So by clicking this, the AEB takes 3 images for you: an underexposed, a properly exposed, and an overexposed photos. And then what you can then do afterwards, you can then merge them together and you get a HDR photo. So I will drop a video on this very soon, but basically you're going to put all the 3 photos into a photo editor, and this will then merge them all together to get this stunning HDR photo. I mean, that just looks amazing. I will show you how to color grade this as well, so I will be going through this in detail. If you want to screenshot the settings that I've used for this picture, if you've got your own sunset photo, then just screenshot them in a second. But that looks fantastic, and it just shows you from the 3 images it gets, the underexposed, the overexposed, and the normal. It just merges them together to get this really stunning shot. And you don't have to use these just on sunsets. You can use these on multiple different images. So screenshot my settings if you wish, but I will drop this video very soon about how to use these AEB photos, because the Mini 2 doesn't have HDR photos, but by doing this, merge them together, you're going to get the exact same. So taking sunset photos and videos on the Mini 2 is more than achievable. Use an ND filter and lower that ISO for spectacular photos and videos. But as you can see now, the houses are really underexposed. So what we can now do is raise that ISO. Remember, the more ISO, the more the image will be brighter, but the more noise and grain. So I'll select ISO 800 for this, and you can see as I do, then the image gets a lot brighter. But don't overdo it, because then your image will be far too noisy. I'm in love with you. We'll just forget what they say. No use trying to explain. If they only knew the way we feel, this would all go away. Let's get out. As the sun sets more, you will have to raise that ISO again. So I'm going to change it now to ISO 1600. I wouldn't go higher than this on the Mini 2 with that small sensor, because now you can start to see some more noise in the corners. Still looks great though, but this is the downside to the Mini 2. Oh, so what if we only just met? True love, don't wait for any man, and no one tells us what. So go and have some fun with the Mini 2 at golden hour. Practice pro mode, videos and photos, and you can take some stunning photos and videos that will last forever. I'll drop the tutorial HDR AEB bracket photo video soon. But I want you to all have a fantastic day and go and get that Mini 2 out, take some fantastic shots, capture some memories that will last forever. Take care guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.
Tells us what we can or can't do. Darling, I know. Oh, I know. Yes, darling, I know.